Welcome back to Wall Street Sizing Up, where we replicate the investment positions of large hedge funds for our profit and for yours. That said, I want to draw your attention to what we're very proud of today, our Twitter page. Why are we proud of our Twitter page with only 39 followings? Because the developer got back to us yesterday while I was on vacation, and we now have a bot. That bot pulls from the SEC database, the 13D and 13G filings, and bam, puts it up on our Twitter page every 20 minutes throughout the day until that day's filings are there, until there are no more, really. So you can look right here. So you can see that that Biogen literally took a $500 million position, 11% position in DNLI, or Denali Therapeutics, back on September 22nd. That's good to know. Now you can go research that. Is that something you want to be in? That one's actually something that you want to be in. Denali is doing phenomenal. But anyway, point being is that this is going to continuously run. Some days there'll be 5 alerts. Some days there'll be 15. Again, they start about 8:40 and they run for 20 minutes every 20 minutes thereafter. That's how it works. All right. Next thing up is how are we doing? So I want to talk about 3 quick stocks. One is PLAY. That's PLAY, or Dave's and Buster's. If you listen to us on the 22nd, Dave's and Buster's got a 6% pump over that day and the next day, and then it's gone into a downtrend. So did we hit that one? Kinda. The next one is ETNB. If you got that one on the 22nd as well. That did pump 7% over that day, and I believe half the day the following Wednesday, and now it's just kind of moving sideways. But the one we're really excited about here is GME, or GameStop. GameStop, we talked about it on September 24th, the Thursday, and let me tell you what it's done since then. Whatever time of day that you got in, you actually watched the video, you are up 16 to 20%. That's exactly why you watch the channel, because all of these stocks that we're not just picking stocks. These stocks are from hedge fund positions. So they are continuing to go up. GameStop, look for it to continue to trend up all the way into November and possibly December. With that said, I want to get into again, kind of why you watch the channel really quick. So let's go to USEG, or US Energy Corp is what it's called, USEG, and you see on the screen the same thing that I see. Boom. Well, let me tell you what that is. That is Hal Mints of Savvy Management. Remember Hal? Hal is our all-star that was on change.org. Hal Mints of Savvy Management. They're trying to bring SEC charges up against him for price fixing and stock manipulation during the pandemic. So ain't nobody clean, certainly not Hal, it looks like. My point here is USEG up 120% in 15 days. Did he know somebody at the company? Did he get tipped off? Did he use the Signal app, the encrypted P2P? Absolutely. You just know he did. You're not in the stock for less than 15 days, get 100% pump, and then it goes back to where it was. So that being said, let's get to our today's stock. The one stock that we're going to look at today is called TA. Travel Centers of America. And there we are. There's TA. Travel Centers of America. That's TA, Travel Centers of America. What do? You can probably guess. Engages the operation and franchise of travel centers and convenience stores for truckers. Its products and services include diesel fuel, gasoline, truck repair, and maintenance services. They also have full-service restaurants and quick-serve restaurants as well. They are all over the nation. Market cap of almost $300 million. They trade about 225,000 shares per day. So why are we looking at this? Well, if we expand out, this is the 90-day. The 90-day, it's up 40%. For the year, they're up 63%. But kind of a friend here, a guy named John Wagner, SCW Capital Management, hedge fund here in Dallas, SCW Capital Management. In fact, I believe that he worked with an old boss of mine at UBS back in 2000, which is really kind of strange. He sized up on the 21st, right here at the very end. I believe that he only has about a 3 or 4% that he is up right now. So I believe that he is still in the stock. He sized up with a $14 million position, over 700,000 shares for a 5% position in the entire company of Travel Centers of America. Now, most of you know that I have a second business. It is an e-commerce business with my wife. The reason that I believe in Travel Centers of America is because the trucking industry, I wouldn't say it's having issues. There's just not enough of them, right? When we import from overseas, from various places overseas, or it's trucked from the port to our warehouse, or we use a U.S. vendor here and it's trucked from their warehouse to our warehouse, there's always issues. And there's the reason that there's issues, it's not really the trucking, it's just because there's not enough trucks. And TA is a huge help in that. This is where the truckers sleep. This is where they eat. This is where they get their maintenance for their truck. So this is really a long-term play. I really like it. I tell you right now, 4 cash bags. I believe this continues much like GME or GameStop. I believe this continues well into November and December as they have to get those packages delivered. Stores need them, and then obviously the packages need to be delivered to your doorstep as well. Even if the COVID has not subsided by Q1 or Q2 of 2021, this could still be a good stock. That being said, guys, I really want to thank the 1,100 subscribers that we have now. Thank you very much. Remember, our newsletter does come out less than 60 days. You can go to sizingup.co or sizingup.co. All you got to put in is your name and your email address. That's it. It's very, very simple. With that said, guys, cheers. We'll see you next time. Well, good day, good evening, and whatever time it may be. We hope you enjoyed that video as much as we enjoyed making it. Please hit the like or the subscribe or leave a comment because we love that feedback. And you know what we say. At the casino, you got to watch your six and you go hard in the paint, guys. Cheers. We'll see you next time.